Tripulación próximos al despegue. Good evening, welcome aboard American Airlines. Please place your small carry-on items like purse, backpacks, duty-free items underneath the seat in front of you. Carry-on, bigger carry-ons, those class wheels goes.
Welcome aboard American Airlines. Please place small carry-on items underneath the seat.
Se pueden colocar pequeños objetos livianos en el bolsillo del asiento. Si necesita ayuda, no dude en llamarnos. En el vuelo de hoy se ofrece entretenimiento gratuito. Conéctese a nuestro servicio de Wi-Fi para reproducir.
From the flight deck, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 385 with service to Lima. Well, tonight, as you probably heard, ATC had some problems throughout the day with the radars, and that causes major delays throughout the entire system. That's why you've seen at the screens outside that most of our flights were delayed today and tonight. As for us, now we're having a maintenance working on some lavatories that we discovered not to be functioning properly. Once that's being taken care of, we're going to proceed for departure. Today we're expecting a good night for flying, just a few bumps throughout the climb out, and then 5 hours and 6 minutes of flight time. Once all the maintenance procedures have been completed, I will let you know and keep you informed. But as for now, we appreciate your cooperation and patience, and I will keep you updated with all the information I received. Thank you very much and welcome aboard.
Yep.
And ladies Ladies and gentlemen, this is the captain speaking. I have not mentioned earlier, but the lavatories are not operational at this time. We're going to request your cooperation. Please try not to use them as maintenance is working on them to fix the problem. Damas y caballeros, de la cabina de mando les habla su comandante. La razón de la demora que tenemos esta noche, el vuelo, si bien llegó tarde por problemas que tuvo los controladores aéreos con los radares en el sector de la Florida, eso causó que el arribo del avión en el que estamos ahora haya sido demorado. Por eso la salida fue demorada también. Al momento encontramos durante las inspecciones de prevuelo que los baños de este avión no están funcionando. Mantenimiento al momento, se encuentra trabajando en ello. Le vamos a pedir su cooperación, por favor, de no utilizar los baños al momento hasta que mantenimiento termine de encontrar y resolver el problema. Le agradecemos mucho por su cooperación. Muchas gracias.
By our dedicated team members, who all do it for one reason, you. That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. Let's go through some in-flight instructions so we can get you safely on your way. First, make sure your seat is upright. All larger electronic devices are put away and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way under the seat in front of you. Larger carry-on luggage goes in the overhead bin. If you have small belt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. All flights are non-smoking, including e-cigarettes, vape devices, and smokeless tobacco. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. Doing so may result in a fine. For safety reasons, e-cigarettes and vape devices may not be plugged into any power source while on board the airplane. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this aircraft and 2 over-wing exits over the wings. Take a moment to locate the nearest one. Keep in mind, it may be behind you. All exits have evacuation slides to use in the unlikely event of an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, slides at the front and back of the airplane may be used as life rafts. Vest or blow into the red tube. In the water, a light on your vest will automatically illuminate. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a crew member. See your safety card for more details on how to use it. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls are at each seat. It's our honor to care for you on your journey. If you have any questions, please refer to your safety card or ask any of the crew members as they do their final cabin check. And as always, let us know if there's anything we can do to make your time with us more enjoyable.
Exterior del asiento deben plegarse durante el rodaje, el despegue y el aterrizaje. Si tiene equipaje de mano, colóquelo debajo y al fondo del asiento frente a usted. El equipaje de mano más grande va en el compartimento superior. Si tiene dispositivos portátiles pequeños como teléfonos celulares, tabletas y relojes inteligentes, cámbielos ahora. De seguridad. Todas las salidas en este avión están marcadas claramente. Tómese un momento para localizar la más cercana y recuerde, podría estar detrás de usted. Es un honor para nosotros cuidarlo en su viaje. Y como siempre, háganos saber si hay algo que podamos hacer para que el tiempo que pase con nosotros sea más placentero.
Flight attendants, please prepare for landing.
To prepare for landing, please close your tray table and put away carry-on items. Place your seat in the original upright position. Seat back device holders must be stowed for landing. We will now collect any items you wish to discard. Please put away larger electronic devices, including laptop computers. Secure smaller handheld devices in your hand or seat pocket. Devices such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches must remain in airplane mode until after we land. We will be landing soon.
Para prepararse para el aterrizaje, pliegue la bandeja y guarde el equipaje de mano. Coloque el asiento en la posición vertical original. Los soportes de dispositivos en la parte posterior del asiento deben plegarse durante el aterrizaje. Ahora recogeremos cualquier artículo que desee descartar. Por favor, guarde los dispositivos electrónicos más grandes, incluyendo las computadoras portátiles. Asegure los dispositivos más pequeños en la mano o en el bolsillo del asiento. Los dispositivos como teléfonos celulares, tabletas y relojes inteligentes deben permanecer en modo avión hasta después de aterrizar. Aterrizaremos pronto.
Please put away larger electronic devices, including laptop computers. Secure smaller handheld devices in your hand or seat pocket. Devices such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches must remain in airplane mode until after we land. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Por favor, permanezca sentado con su cinturón de seguridad abrochado hasta que la señal del cinturón de seguridad esté apagada y mantenga los pasillos libres de equipaje. Revise el bolsillo trasero del asiento para ver si no quedan artículos personales, como tablets o teléfonos celulares. Si abre un compartimento superior, tenga cuidado, ya que el equipaje de mano puede haberse desplazado durante el vuelo. Y gracias por elegir American Airlines.
Bienvenidos a Lima, la hora local son las 3 de la mañana con 12 minutos. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que el aviso de abrocharse los cinturones haya sido apagado. Asimismo, les recordamos que el mismo procedimiento, los baños en este momento ya en tierra no pueden ser utilizados, no están. Cuando lleguemos en el terminal tendrán baños disponibles para usarlos. American Airlines and our One World partners, thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon. Local time 12 minutes after 3. Just to remind you that at this time you cannot use the lavatories of the aircraft. There will be bathrooms at the terminal when you go outside of the aircraft. Thank you. Flight number 5 some doors standby for call.